Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trin, and today we are going to unbox the Amazon Fire 7 tablet with Alexa. I got this from Amazon for $29.99 with the Cyber Monday deals. Without the Cyber Monday deals, this would cost $49.99. So today we are going to unbox this thing and check this tablet out. As you can see here, this tablet is the 8GB model. 8GB model with special offers, and this tablet comes in 4 different colors. The first color is black, red, yellow, and blue. Yeah, so those are the 4 colors that is available that you can choose from. So let's take a look around the packaging. Here we have the Fire 7 on one side and Fire 7 on the other side. I really like the packaging design of this product. It's because it's in a sleeve instead of a cardboard box. So here it is. Here's the back side. This has a 7-inch display, micro SD slot up to 256 gigabytes, quad-core processor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and front and rear cameras. You can always skip or fast-forward this part of the video because I'm going to read this out loud. So this is a fast and responsive tablet, crisp and vivid 7-inch display, powerful quad-core processor, and long-lasting battery. Seamlessly stream your favorite entertainment with dual-band Wi-Fi or enjoy offline with up to 256 gigabytes of expandable storage. So this is designed for entertainment. Shop millions of movies, TV shows, songs, Kindle ebooks, Android apps, and games, including Facebook, HBO, Minecraft, Pandora, and more. Watch downloaded videos anywhere with a Prime membership or Netflix subscription. Ask Alexa. Alexa provides quick access to information and entertainment you want using your voice. Use Alexa to ask questions or to play your favorite songs or videos, open apps and games, show sports scores, hear a joke, and get the news and display the weather and more. So this is great for the whole family. Best-in-class parental controls let you manage screen time limits, educational goals, and web browsing to fit kids' needs as they grow. Give kids access to age-appropriate content, including over 40,000 curated websites and videos. So what's included? What's included is the Black Fire 7 tablet. This is the 7th generation model. This also comes with an Amazon 5-watt power adapter, USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery, personalized special offers, and with sponsored screensavers. So I just forgot to tell you that this model is the 7th generation model released in 2017. The other model is the 2015 model, in which is the 5th generation. So it's time to open this 7th generation tablet up. So all we have to do is pull this tab and rip this open. Man, the satisfying sound of opening a new product. And let's pull this tablet out. So like I said again, I really like the packaging design from Amazon, how it's presented in the sleeve design. So let's see what's left in the sleeve. So nothing else. So here's the tablet, and let's finally check this out. So here's the Amazon Fire 7 tablet with Alexa. Let's finally take this out. Here's the tablet in its protective sleeve. We're going to take a look at that later. And here's the rest of the stuff that's left. So here is the USB charging cable. And up next is the USB power cable from Amazon. And the other 2 things that's left are these two pamphlets or brochures, however you want to call them. And let's check this out. So we have the Fire 7 tablets. Do more of your Fire tablet. Let's open this up. I think this contains lots of information about this tablet. So here it is. You can always pause the video if you want to read this to yourself. And here it says, "Meet Alexa," for the book lovers, for the binge watchers, for the gamers, for the music lovers, and for the people person. And here's the back side. Listening is the new reading, Kindle Unlimited. And yeah, so here's the other pamphlet, Fire 7. I guess, oh yeah, this is your quick startup guide. all of your important buttons, things, or ports is on top of the tablet. And here's the back side, and that's how you charge your tablet. And let's put those away. And here's the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. Let's take it out of its protective sleeve. The satisfying sound of taking out a protective sleeve. And here's the tablet itself. And here's, you've got to put a cloth on it, so I don't want to scratch up the back side without a case on it. So here's the 7-inch 1024 by 600 display. Here are the sides of the tablets. On the side of the tablet is your micro SD card slot, which is supported up to 256 gigabytes. On the top side of the tablet is your power button, USB port, your mic, headphone jack, and your volume buttons. Everything you need to do is on the top side of the tablet. So here's the back side. The plastic feels pretty good. I mean, it's not cheap, which is a good thing. And on the upper left corner is your 2-megapixel camera that shoots in 720p video. And let's go back to the front and power this on. Once you power it on, we are greeted by the Amazon logo. And so, and the Fire logo. So up next, I'm going to put my information in, and we are going to check this tablet out. As you can see, it's optimizing system storage and application, so it's going to take a while booting up. So once it's booted up, here's the tablet. This is running on the Fire OS operating system. Here's the Homes panel, the Recent panel, and for your Homes panel you can access all your apps. Here's your Books panel, and these books are recommended on your browsing history that you searched on Amazon. Up next is the Videos panel. Next is your Games panel. Next is your Shops panel, which accesses your Amazon app. Next is your Apps panel, the App Store. Next is your Music panel, the Audible panel, and the last panel is your Newsstand panel. So let's go home, and if you press the home button, it goes home. Here's your back button and your recent apps button, your recent activities there. And if you hold down the home button, you get to talk to Alexa. And if you scroll down, there's your notification panel where you can adjust the brightness and change your settings. And yeah, so let's take a look at the back side of the tablet one last time. Here you get your Amazon logo, and like I said again, the plastic of this tablet does not feel cheap. So everything on the top side is what you need, your buttons, and that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this tablet. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trin, and I'll see you on the next video.